Hey, beautiful people, welcome to my channel. 4 SB19 members have already ventured into solo projects, with Justin being the most recent to debut on February 29 with his track Surreal. With the anticipation surrounding Justin's solo release, fans are now curious about Stell's potential solo debut. Here's what Stell had to say about the possibility.
Stella, question. You're the only member na hindi pa nag-debut as solo artist. Kakatapos lang ni Justin last Feb. May pressure ba na mag-debut sa iyong solo career?
I don't feel any pressure. Good thing po sa members namin. Nararamdaman mo yung support, pero hindi mo nararamdaman na pinipressure ka nila. Parang give them time, give them their own time para ma-feel nila kung kailan nila gusto. Siyempre, ikaw ba gusto mo pipilitin ka namin kumain kahit busog na busog ka? Siyempre hindi. Eh ngayon na busog ako sa pagmamahal ng 18 ng brothers ko. Siyempre wala na akong ibang gusto. Pero pumunta rin tayo doon. Pero siyempre dahil nagulatan tayo, gulatan na lang po talaga. Pero pwede ko na pressure kasi sabi nga po nila, if you love the person na nasa paligid mo, isi-celebrate mo yung ano nila, yung time nila, isi-celebrate mo yung anong tawag doon, isi-celebrate mo yung success nila, yung achievement nila kasi dadating din yung time mo. So I believe on that po.
But wait, did Stell just hinted at a possible collaboration between him and Philip or SB19 subunit?
So like, you're doing solo projects. Mayroon agad. You're doing solo projects. So when do we expect? Kasi ang mga 18, hindi na kami makaintay. We want SB19. Kailan? Within this year ba? Second quarter? Third, fourth?
Is the question po for SB19 or Stell and Philip?
Well, you represent SB19. Ibig sabihin may separate? Wow! Wow!
Well, for SB19, of course, we always wanted to make gulat everyone.
Nice.
Kasi sinasabi nila, pagka we post something, inaabangan agad. So, this time, gusto namin yung ginugulat talaga kasi mas nandun sabi nga nila, di ba sa magkakaibigan, na hindi natutuloy yung planadong gala, mas natutuloy yung biglaan. So, yun gusto namin gawin with 18.
So, expected and unexpected, no?
Tama.
Yes, yun naman po lagi.
Of course, Stell made sure to acknowledge SB19's profound impact on his life and career.
Kasi ang dami mo ng offers.
Siyempre, hindi ko naman po ikakaila yung mga napaka-laking opportunity na dumadating sa buhay ko ngayon. Pero, siyempre, hindi ko naman po mararating to or hindi ko rin po ma-receive yung ganong recognition or mga kung ano mang kagandahang balita ang umabot sa akin kung hindi rin po dahil sa SB19. So yung pinaka-bingo talaga sa akin is yung SB19 talaga. Kasi kung wala po yung SB19 siguro, wala rin ako talaga. Like siguro, nangangarap pa rin ako or hanggang ngayon, tinatry ko pa rin hanapin yung sarili ko. But now na meron talagang SB19 na hindi lang masasabing group or brother sila. Sila rin talaga yung masasabi kong treasure na sila yung nakakita sa akin para makita rin nila kung sino si Stel, parang gano'n. So, aanhin ko po yung maraming recognition, aanhin ko po yung maraming projects kung mawawala sa akin yung SB19. So, SB19 yung bingo talaga.
And is there a possibility for a collaboration with the other bingo performers?
Yeah, of course, we're down. Kahit sino po.
Wow.
Ano lang po lahat ng po ng artists dito sobrang creative and, sobrang talented and amazing people. So, ayun po, pag-usapan na lang po na. Pagkatapos
Closed door.
Subscribe for more.